Hello everybody, on today's video we have the Grandeur 47-inch gaming desk with LED lights and a power outlet. Let's get unboxed and check this thing out. Like we said in the intro, this is the Grandeur 47-inch gaming desk with power outlet and LED lights. Everything you need to set up is inside the box. The assembly is so easy. In just minutes you will have a nice, beautiful gaming desk with reversible shelves and drawer. You can organize storage your way for optimal setup. This thing has reversible shelves, built-in power outlet, 2 sockets, USB ports Type-C, and LED remote controlled lighting for immersive gaming atmosphere. This thing has a carbon fiber finish, sleek, durable surface, resists wear, and enhances that modern style. This thing pops, locks, and drops it. And we're not done yet. This thing is compact and functional, fits gaming setups, offices, or those studies, places, and spaces. Guess what? It's got plenty of space. Look at that side pocket there, a drawer here, beautiful, and an area to put a PC and somewhere to hang the headphones. This thing has it all. It's the perfect PC desk for gamers and home offices alike. Adults and kids love it as well, and it looks fantastic at night. You know what? I think I'm gonna need another one. Please give me one. That was a Grandeur 47-inch gaming desk with LED lights and power outlet. Thanks for watching.